Welcome to a new video on how to use range breakout strategy in QuantMan. Let's get started by opening the backtest page. Click on Add Indicator and type in CandleAt. Set the start time to 9:15 and the end time to 9:30. You can also type range breakout instead of CandleAt, as both are the same. Now let's set up the entry and exit condition for our first case. For entry, choose current close is above range breakout high. For exit, select current close is below range breakout low. We will leave the leg rule as call buy and set the take profit to 20 points. Next, enable the advanced option and duplicate case 1 to create case 2. In case 2, update the entry condition to current close is below range breakout low. For exit, set it as current close is above range breakout high. Choose put option and again set the take profit to 20 points. Now let's see how the range breakout works in both the cases. Breaking the range breakout high. Here a green candle forms above the range breakout high. And that's our entry point. The trade exits once the candle reaches 20 points. If the market reverses, the exit happens when the candle close drops below the range breakout low. Case 2 is breaking the range breakout low. In this case, the entry is triggered when the candle breaks below the range breakout low. The trade exits at 20 points of profit. But if the market reverses and moves upward, the exit occurs once the candle crosses above the range breakout high.
Yeah, that's it. Hope this video finds useful for you. For more such updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.